So, I'm about to go over and join my very good friends and almost peers. They're biologists and naturologists and all the like, and I'm going to talk to them about my exciting new adventure that you are documenting, and they should like it, I think.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hello, friends. How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, pretty good. Sorry for the oof. So, I'm actually later today going on an expedition to find the Majestic Northeaster. I believe you've had some.
I was on a journey to find another rare bird, and the great Northeastern clawed my eye out.
Oh, because I am the local expertise. You have a problem?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Well, shut up. This bird you are not going to find. It is extremely rare.
No comment. You know what? I wash my hands of you people. I will find this bird.
No, you won't.
No.
I will. I will. Intern, whatever.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for the interview.
Don't listen to them. They're assholes. They're just jerks. Don't listen to them. They've never met me. They've never followed. They don't know what they're talking about. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, do you even understand why we're here?
Not really. Following you.
Have you ever heard of the Majestic Northeaster?
No.
Of course not. It's only like the most unnoticed bird in the world. I've been after it for most of my life. It likes to fly south to the winter, and also north, and then south back. It's very picky. It eats about 15 pounds of worm a day. It's probably the greatest worm in population keeper bird. You know, like how we hunt deers, this thing hunts worms like it's its fucking job.
Yes, it is.
Also likes to nest on cliff faces. They're dangerous, like me, because I'm dangerous.
Do you think we'll find one today?
Yes. Bird poop! It's a Majestic Northeaster. Its consistency is much more of a gelatin than a shit. It's close. Actually, it was really close.
So you have any idea where we're gonna find this thing? Like,
Mush! Continue. I'm ready.
Did you find anything?
No. I mean, yes. I have actually found it. This stuff. You see it?
Yeah.
It's a clue.
A clue?
Yes, clue. It's not eaten, because birds like to feast on those growies. So it was not here. That's what I can conclude. Because if it was here, if the bird was here, then they would be eaten off. And they're not.
Wait, so the bird isn't here?
Not right here. Like like the 14-foot radius that I'm in.
Okay.
But it might be over there.
You want to go that way?
Yes.
Where's the intern?
We have an intern? Oh, the big one. I don't know. Where'd he go?
Huh? A call for him or something?
Intern!
Yes, sir.
Ah, there you are. I require rocks.
For what?
And sometimes I throw them. I like to throw rocks.
Like this?
Leaf. It's a leaf. Leaf. Where did you get this thing?
It's a leak. There was like an ad on the thing, and I mean there was an ad for it, and like he was willing to go on nature documentaries.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean I thought that's what we needed.
Yes. Yes. Congratulations! More and bigger. Okay? Bring them to me when you have a suitable pile. Look. Look. Over here.
Oh, sorry.
Look at this. This moss only grows in this country like this time of year. It releases specialized spores into the atmosphere in the air, what you breathe, you know.
Is it poisonous?
No. But it attracts certain kinds of animals, specifically the Northeaster. It loves this shit. Only once in a few blue Gallaghers do you see something like this.
There's more on the other side.
No, it only grows on this side.
But
the Gallagher side? You're learning. I like that. I'm surprised.
thank you, sir.
Continue on. Intern,
Yeah.
you see this trail?
Yeah.
Amazing, so much discovery. This is from a shy-halud warthog. They're really common, actually. I'm surprised you've never heard of it. You haven't heard of it, have you? Exactly.
I mean, yeah, no.
So, let's see if we can find one, shall we?
Okay.
They like people with kind of darker colored hair and the tall ones. So, I mean, if we meet one, I'll be fine.
Oh. Do they kill or just like?
in some, say like 95% of recorded meetings, but I mean,
I think that should just.
yeah, no, you should.
Okay. Oh shit.
Rock!
Great shot.
Thank you. Continue. Don't drop any.
Okay. Sir.
What?
What is this?
Nothing. Look at what I've discovered. This is a burrowing chamber for a Northeaster. They love to do this because it's safe.
I have a rock for you, sir.
I just shut up. I'm trying to listen. This is about, I don't know, 20 decigallagers deep.
Is that a lot?
Yes, that is quite a lot, especially for a Northeaster. They usually go only about 10 or so decigallagers. I'm surprised. I love being the best. All right, let's go. Not bad. Hey. You want to throw one?
Sure. It's fine.
That counted. Did one fall? That counted. Okay, that was it. Come on. Well, I mean, this looks like it's the end of the trail.
Should we head back?
Yes.
Yeah.
Keep up.
Oh God. Is that
Oh! A warthog! A hole. Oh, that bastard. They like to burrow under the ground.
Is that safe?
On
Are they like tall type of people?
a scale, on the Gallagher readiness scale of danger, I'd say 4.
Out of?
4. Whatever.
You don't know about the Gallagher readiness scale?
I mean, I've heard of it.
Well, the warthog was a bust, but we're closing on our trail of the Northeaster.
The Northeaster, sir?
I never misspeak. Continue.
Yes, sir.
Rock! Oh. Go. What are you doing, sir? It's the cliff face of the nest of the Nor'easter right there, the cliff face nest. Come on, let's go. I can't go on. I figured. Stay.
Keep going. You're almost there. It's right up there.
I know.
I
know. Whatever you have to say, I know.
Put your foot up there. Yeah. You're almost there. This far.
There's only half a Gallagher to the nest.
How far is that?
It's as far as I want it to be.
I believe in you.
This is it. This is the nest of the Majestic Northeaster. It's not here anymore. It left. Probably about 3 days ago, judging by the findings. Probably in Nunavut by now. Probably in Nunavut, Alaska by now. Alaska, probably their favorite other nesting ground other than here. They like the cold, the frigid cold. Have you ever seen a nor'easter take down a bison? Amazing birds. You ever seen one of them take down a caribou? Craziest shit that you've ever seen. Damn, I'm so close. One day, I will find you. Come on, Steve!
I'm right there! Right behind you.
Come here, Dan. Hey, Dan. Dan! Right here. Come here. I get to talk to you.
Yeah.
All right. So, do you think we should induct the intern to the team? I think he'd make a good good solid addition. Yeah. No, I mean, like, we couldn't have gotten the rocks if. Yeah, we couldn't have gotten the rocks. He actually helped you out find some things too. Like, he's the biggest oaf I've ever seen, though. You know,
We've been together doing these for a while, so I'll trust your judgment.
okay. I mean, You don't have to.
I mean, I don't, but I don't feel like going.
Okay.
Cool.
Intern,
Yes, sir.
what's your name?
Steve.
Steve,
Sir?
that's it. Steve, is that it?
Yeah.
Steve, I bequeath to you you are now on Team Gallagher.
Oh my God.
Congratulations. Don't put the back.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. It's been so much to me. I promise I won't let you down. I'll carry as many rocks as you need, I swear. I'll do
Okay.
it.
No. Okay. That's good. Okay.